Hey, how you doing? My name is Jay. I'm a 5-year police officer for Dark Police Department in Dallas, Texas. And yeah, check out Awesome Headlights.
All right. Thank you, and thank you for your service. We have a Nissan Altima. What year?
2015.
2015. Okay, so these weren't too bad, and I knocked them out, and they look amazing. So, officer, would you like to see your headlight fixer-upper?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, let's do this.
Yeah, they came out great. Way better than what they were.
Bam.
Man, they look good. For real.
Sometimes I tell people I just leave and
so
replace them with.
clean.
Sometimes I tell people I just replace them with new ones while they're
They
gone.
look like they was replaced with new ones from what I had.
Right?
I'll be able to see real good now.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look great.
Well, you were talking about the light beam not being very
Yeah.
strong. I'm guessing
Yeah.
that may be the bulbs.
Yeah, it might be the bulbs.
But I've now eliminated the
Yeah.
headlight itself as the possibility. So there you go.
Yeah, the headlights look good though. Now I can put my LEDs in there.
Absolutely.
Yeah, they look good. You did a great job. Real good job.
Appreciate it. Okay. Well, thank you again, and we're signing off. And
Check out Awesome Headlights. You won't
definitely.
be disappointed. I ain't gonna lie. You ain't gonna be disappointed at all.
All right. Appreciate it, and have a good weekend. And we're out.